Guide, I'll show you how to add auto-generated subtitles in CapCut Pro, a feature every content creator should be using. First things first, this feature is exclusive to CapCut Pro, so if you haven't upgraded yet, you'll need a subscription to access it. All right, let's dive in. I've already imported my video into CapCut and added a voiceover, but here's the deal. Adding subtitles can significantly improve how long people watch your video and make your content more accessible to a wider audience. Here's what you do. 1. Tap on Text at the bottom. 2. Select Auto Captions from the options. Now, you'll see a pop-up menu where you can adjust a few things. Choose whether the captions should be generated from the video audio or the voiceover. I'm going with voiceover. Pick your language, style, and template. There are tons of options to help match your brand or vibe. Once everything looks good, just hit Generate, and CapCut will do the rest. It'll scan your audio and create captions automatically. From there, you can review and edit the subtitles for accuracy, resize the text, adjust placement on the screen, choose bold and eye-catching styles to make your captions pop. That's it. Your video now has clean, professional subtitles that'll keep viewers watching longer. If you want a deeper breakdown of how to design viral-style captions or subtitle animations, smash that like button and drop a comment with what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next CapCut tutorial.